Withdrawing money from KuCoin to your card or bank account involves a multi-step process. Log into KuCoin. Access your KuCoin account using your credentials. Complete KYC verification. Ensure that you have completed the Know Your Customer verification process on KuCoin, which may involve providing identification documents. Navigate to Assets. Go to the Assets or Wallet section on KuCoin. Select Withdraw. Find the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on Withdraw and choose the withdrawal method. Enter withdrawal details. Provide the required details, including the withdrawal amount, bank or card information, and any additional information needed. Confirm withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal request by entering any necessary authentication codes. Wait for processing. After confirmation, wait for KuCoin to process the withdrawal. Processing times may vary. Check your bank or card account. Monitor your bank or card account for the credited amount. Note that bank processing times may affect when the funds appear in your account.